That's the manager.
He's the manager.
That's the manager?
Yeah.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
The rent's due. Do you have your portion this month or no?